All right, we're going to aura lines. That's all we're going to do. So we're going to draw lines all over the page. And then we're going to take one section, so this triangle, and we're going to aura that line. But then from that line, we're going to aura the other line. And then from that line, we're going to aura that line. And we're just going to do this all the way to the very center of the shape. And you do this for every shape. So just like all other tangles, we start with gratitude. We take a deep breath in, breathe in the things that we're grateful for, exhale all the garbage, let it go. This is a time for you to clear your mind. And doing repetitive tangles like this, where you're repeating the same thing over and over again, for me, I can't think of anything else. I just am watching the lines go. And the bills, all that other stuff just goes right out the window. And I want you to remember that this, for me, is, and the reason I teach it the way I do, is it's about the journey on the way to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. So this really, for me, is about, am I breathing? Am I biting the inside of my cheek, clenching my jaw? Am I holding the pen too tight, pushing down too hard with the pen? This is all about you. This is a self-care journey. This is a tool in the toolbox. So when you're waiting for kids to get out of a sport, you can do this in your car, on an envelope, with any pen, any paper, any pencil. You can do it at a sporting event. You can do it at a doctor's appointment. I use this for stress, anxiety, grief. Now, I'm not saying this is a cure for those things, so see a doctor if you need to for those things. But you can also check the link tree under my bio, and you can go to my website. I have recorded classes. I have an Etsy shop. I have so many tools that you can put in your toolbox, so check it out. Have a great day.